Welcome to Auto Resolve. In this guide, I will show you how to fix AirPods not connecting to an iPhone.
Fix 1. Turn Bluetooth off and on Step 1. Open Settings Bluetooth. Step 2. Turn Bluetooth off. Step 3. Wait 10 seconds and turn it on. Fix 2. Charge your AirPods. Step 1. Put AirPods in the charging case. Step 2. Charge for at least 15 to 20 minutes. Step 3. Try connecting again. Fix 3. Reconnect AirPods. Step 1. Go to Settings Bluetooth. Step 2. Tap I next to AirPods. Step 3. Tap Forget this device. Step 4. Open AirPods case and hold the Setup button. Step 5. Connect AirPods again. Fix 4. Reset AirPods. Step 1. Put AirPods in case and close lid. Step 2. Open lid and hold case button for 15 seconds. Step 3. Light turns amber white. Step 4. Reconnect to iPhone.